think you can keep the video steady like that? Yes. Okay. Unboxing of I don't know what it's called. I forgot. Hey, she looks awesome. Alright. It's TX that looks like I forgot that. Anong brand yan? Kalimutan ko na yung brand. Ah, it's WLToys. WLToys. The K969 four-wheel drive drifter that I have plans of converting to rear-wheel drive drifter later on. But for now, let's see what this thing got. Oh my god, I forgot that. No way. Okay, no, so it doesn't come with batteries. Kuha yan, kuya. Ay, seriously. Forgot the batteries. And wow, looks good. Chassis is looking pretty decent for the price of less than $50. It's actually around $38. It has a 2S Lipo battery. Okay, let's actually see how much charge it has. Kita mo, kuya? Is it still in?
No, yeah.
Okay, set. Okay, it's pretty much in storage voltage. Nice. So maybe we can use this for a test run and see how it is. The configuration is much like a Yokomo drift package. Very tiny servo and a tiny engine, a tiny motor. Okay.
Go.
Okay, let's do a rundown of what I'm seeing. So basically, the balance charger plugs to the all-in-one ESC and receiver, and the servo is plugged at the back, and this is the motor plug. It's a brushed one. The suspension is very stiff. Hell, they're even stiffer than my. Well, okay, they're as stiff. Relatively, they're as stiff as my 110 suspension. This is like crazy stiff. This is. There's no way I would use this for any rear-wheel drive. Even the rear is super stiff. No damping. The lower deck looks good, looks decent. It's aluminum, I believe. I'll most likely have a carbon fiber cut out in place of this aluminum when I have converted this to rear-wheel drive. Hey, and the balls, on the suspension can be screwed out, whereas the balls on this, they're plastic. So the steering lock on this is not bad for a four-wheel drive drifter, but for rear-wheel drive, this will be very insufficient. Going to the shell detail, the holes are definitely misaligned, like it's to the right, and even in the front it's also to the right. So when you mount the shell to the chassis, you'll see the offset is too low for this side, whereas on this side this looks decent enough. And the cutout on the wheel wells are like done by a 5-year-old kid. Very disappointed. It looks nice. Fast and Furious. Wow. It says X-ray right here. That's it basically for the shell. It's pretty hefty for its size. Let's try to open up one of the wheels and see if there's actual bearing installed. Oh, it is. Is it? Yeah, they look like bearings, or are they just metal shims? I can't tell. Okay, let's try to install the batteries. The latch is very hard to remove, for sure. Let's see how it is. Where is the switch? Ah, here. Oh, okay. Nice. Let's plug the battery. And where's the switch? Oh, here. Here's the switch. Alright. Alright, let's see the response of this. Okay, that's good enough. That's decent enough. Actually, I thought there would be more lag. Alright, let's do a test run. Alright, let's not put on the clips. Alright, first run. I have not run four-wheel drive in years. There's a lot of dead band on this. So it's not as easy to drive. Definitely. Let's see the range on this. Easy on see if I can align this. Its steering is very to the left. Steering is great. Okay. Let's see. It's running more straight now. That's good range for a tiny car. Wish you had more RPM though. Gyro. Yeah, for a $38 drifter, I'd say it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Even for a beginner 110 drift car, this is basically what you get for the feel of the electronics. Alright, let's remove that battery. And it's Lipo for $38. It's great. Yeah, it's a great buy. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, that heat up for less than 5 minutes of run. It's hot enough. Yeah. That's it. The next time I'll have this thing running rear wheel drive, hopefully.